Hey everyone, it's Sandy, and today Julie will be sharing 10 different nail art designs to get you ready for back to school. These are super easy and very quick to do. You can choose to do all 10, paint one as an accent nail, or mix and match a few for your perfect back to school mani. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let us know down in the comments which design is your favorite.
Hi guys, it's Julie. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the button to subscribe below and be sure to check back every week for new videos. Now let's get started. Start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails and make your mani last as long as possible. First up, we have a grid paper nail design. For this look, I started with 2 coats of a white nail polish. Next, grab a blue polish and a long striping brush. You can also use a striping polish if you have that. Slowly paint 3 stripes down your nail, keeping your hand still and pulling your wrist back. Then add 3 stripes going across, rolling your finger away from the brush to get an even line. Let your design dry, then finish with a top coat. Next up, we have an adorable matte chalkboard heart design. Begin with a black base. Next, I'll be using a pink nail polish and a small detail brush. This particular one was made by my friend Minnie. Start by making the outline of the heart. It doesn't need to be perfect at all. You want it to look hand-drawn, plus we'll be fixing up the shape later. Then fill in the heart with some sketchy lines. Using the black polish you used for the base, go back and correct the shape if you need. Then finish with a matte top coat. This next design is a super fun way to rep your school or team. Apply a base in your school color, then use a black polish and a brush to create a letter. I'm making a C because I love my CutePolish squad, but you can make any letter you'd like. And again, don't worry if you mess up, just fix the shape with your base color. Apply a top coat and you're set! This next design is a cute combination of a French manicure, color block, and chevron. I started off with a pink polish for my base. Once that dried, I grabbed a white polish and painted one corner of the tip of my nail. Then after that dried, I did the same thing on the other corner with a black polish. You want this color to overlap the last color. Then apply top coat to smooth out the finish. Next up, we have a simple airplane design. Start with a blue base and let that completely dry. You can also apply a fast drying top coat to speed up your weight. Next, use some striping tape to form 2 touching triangles in the corner of your nail. Using the square shape of the brush bristles, paint in angled edges for the tail of the plane, then fill in the entire shape. While the polish is still wet, immediately remove the tape. Then use a brush to connect the triangles into a point. You can also sharpen the edges with a little of the base color. Finish with some dashes around your plane like it's soaring through the sky, then apply a top coat. These next 2 designs are for those of you that have a little stricter dress code. Start with a sheer neutral polish. Next, use a dotting tool and white polish to make a row of dots across your free edge. Continue the dots up your nail, gradually making less and spacing them further apart. Try to keep the dots concentrated at the tip of your nail to hide your smile line. Apply top coat and you're done. This floral fringe design is a little more colorful but still subtle. Again, start with a neutral base color. Next, using a larger dotting tool, make clusters of 3 dots for flowers. Use different colors for dimension and make sure you let each flower dry before moving on to the next one. Fill in the centers with a tiny dot of black and finish with a top coat. Next up, we have a color block geometric design. Begin with a white base. Once that's dry, paint on another color over top of the white, leaving the top third showing through. Then just add some angled black lines and finish with a top coat. To go along with your varsity letter nail, try this bold but easy stripe design. Start off with a white base and let it completely dry. Again, you can speed that up with a fast drying top coat. Now use some striping tape to section your nail into 3 parts, then add 2 more pieces of tape to make smaller stripes above and below the middle one. Secure the tape down, don't forget the sides, then carefully fill in the area with black polish. Remove the tape while the polish is still wet and you'll have perfect stripes. Let your design dry, then float on a layer of top coat to prevent smearing. And last but not least, we have a cute composition notebook design. Begin with a black base. Next, grab a cosmetic sponge and tear it in half. apply some white polish to the rough side, then stipple the sponge on your nail. Next, make a block of white on one side of the nail for the subject box of the notebook. Then add a stripe of black down the other side to square off the white box and create the book binding. If you need to, you can also sharpen up the white box with a smaller brush and some of the black polish. Let it dry, then finish with a top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. And that's it! 10 super cute and easy designs perfect for rocking during your first week back at school. Be sure to click the button to subscribe below and click the info card at the top right of your screen for more tutorials like this. And for more videos by me, check out the description box for my personal channel.